Welcome to the video. This is about the Rs2 Util classes in Microbot. These are probably the most useful classes that you're ever going to use, besides your own plugins or whatever preferences you have for botting. So you want to go into the files for Runelite. You want to go into plugins, Microbot. We've already covered how to set this all up in previous videos in the I think just the 2 series. So you're gonna go down to util, and so now you're in the Rs2 utility folder, and all of these are classes that are dedicated to doing different actions in the respective subjects, right? So you got camera here, so you got Rs2 camera. Each Rs2 util class has a method, and the way that you summon these methods is, let's go to example script, and you can go here, you can put Rs2 camera. I think those turn to, or those something to do with tile, right? Get tile angle, yeah, whatever. Is tile on screen, angle to tile. So you just put the Rs2 util class that you want to use. So we can see here there's math, keyboard, inventory, ground item, events. Runelite API also had events, right? So we got events too. Death event, dialogues, combat, right? I didn't actually know those in Rs2 combat. So you write it Rs2, and then the name of the class you want to invoke, basically, and then you put a full stop, a period, like we've discussed before with understanding Java, and then you use one of the methods here. You can double click them or you can write them out. Let's have a look at in combat. Rs2 combat is in combat. I gotta change my keyboard settings every time I restart. So there you go. You can now control click on in combat, and yeah, it tells you how that works. So the util classes are really useful. You can go in keyboard and you can type stuff. There's even a reflection class in the utility class for interacting with NPCs or interacting with the mouse. Really, really useful. Pretty much use it for everything. Look, even the util classes are using other util classes. Rs2 widget, Rs2 tab. Very, very useful. And so those are the Rs2 util classes. You can see Rs2 player attack makes a player attack. Rs2 magic.cast, you cast a spell, and that's pretty much it.